Good morning, crew. Good morning, good morning, good morning. So today is day number 2, and we are up early with it, super early. Oh my gosh, my eyes. It is 6.
Buongiorno. That means good morning.
This guy, he think he from here for real, for real. But anyways, we are, what time is it? 5:57, and we're headed to the Milano Central train station. So we're going to Rome. We're doing a whole day in Rome. So this is going to be our first time taking the fast train. Heard so much great things about it, so I'm really excited to do that.
Y'all.
Today's going to be fun.
And our ride has just arrived.
Yep, and also I heard Rome has really, really good food, so excited about that. Good morning. Where? Over here. How over here, their Uber literally says Uber. That's different. Thank ya. Good morning.
Buongiorno,
Bonjour.
Good morning. Caldwell?
Yes.
Central Station?
Yes. We just made it to the train station.
Yep.
It's so grand.
It's like the Grand Central Station in New York, but bigger.
Like,
I feel like I'm
way
finna go to
bigger.
Hogwarts.
And do what?
Magic.
Yeah, see, I be telling y'all about him. But we're about to get ready to go inside.
Yeah, I put like a little European scarf on today. I don't know who I thought I was, but hey, not too much. But yeah, it's wherever you go in Milan, it's always a store. I see why they say it's like the fashion district of the world or whatever, because it don't matter. Even in the train station, they got any store you need, like literally. Now we about to get our tickets. You know what you're doing?
Nope.
Milano Centrale.
Destination, we're going to Rome.
So, by the time y'all see this, you ain't gonna be able to scan the QR, so it's all good. That's for the creeps of the world. Alright y'all, so our train is here. We have found our train. 6, so this row is 1 through 10. Alright baby, what you doing?
We're about to get on the train.
Okay.
On the fast train.
Headed right here. Yeah. We have made it to the train now. In our seats.
We made it, y'all. Just arrived in Rome, you guys. Alright, you guys. So I have cappuccino, orange juice, croissant, orange juice. They have, is it espresso? Coffee. And you gotta say that, I don't know what it is. Meritoso. So yeah, we're about to dig in. Okay, you guys, it's a lot of people out here, but here is a better view of the Colosseum. There's people everywhere, like everywhere. That's nice.
All right, y'all. So we are about to get pizza now. We are at
No, yeah.
Hey, y'all, it's raining a little bit, right? Well, not a little bit. It's raining, but
We got wet. Clearly,
so
you
we-
see.
yeah, y'all can see. But it's all right. So we're about to
Eat.
some pizza. I don't think the glasses.
Oh, and in Italy, you don't share a pizza. You get your own.
Yeah.
So,
I said, look like they did. Yeah, we saw a video that said that traditionally in Italy, no one shares pizza.
you gotta get your own. It's sweet and then it's bitter, but I guess I can do it.
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Our pizza's here. It looks good. It smells good. We're about to see if it tastes good.
Take the first bite.
Dang, not 2 bites.
All right, shorty. Let's see what you got.
Sausage.
You didn't fold your pizza. How is it?
I'm not really feeling the sausage.
Why not? Take 2. Your man know what to choose. I make good choices.
Okay, crew, so we're currently at the Vatican Museum. We're not gonna actually go inside because look at the line. It literally goes all the way back there.
It
And
doesn't matter if you have a ticket or not.
it's already raining. We're just not.
It is actually 2 lines. So there's a line that way too. I just looked at it.
Oh yeah. That's way too many people, y'all.
If you do got tickets or not, it don't matter. You still gotta wait in line. So.
We're just gonna get the outside view and we're gonna call it an experience. We're not gonna call it a day because we're not done yet. We still have to go to dinner later on, so
We're just not gonna waste our time.
we'll chat with you guys later. Bye. Okay guys, so we got our ice cream. I have gelato.
Yeah, I say gelato.
Gelato. I have, what's this again? Chocolate chip.
Yeah.
Chocolate chip.
Yeah, exactly.
Cookies and cream. Same.
Chocolate. That's what they said.
A gelato.
No, I said it says chocolate. That's what they said.
He don't know how to say this stuff for real.
Come on, man. How you gonna play me like that on camera?
It's
and
so
I got, so the gelato place we had is called Millennium. and I actually got their flavor called Millennium. It's good. I actually sampled it before, so
It's pleasant.
I prepared it. Hey crew, so we are at our next spot of sightseeing. This here is called what, babe?
Italy. I really don't remember.
We are in Rome, Italy, at Piazza Novana.
There we go.
Yeah, that's
Piazza Novana.
it. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, y'all, it's beautiful. We're gonna show y'all clips and videos out here. The sun is out now. I don't know if y'all noticed, like earlier in our videos, it was cloudy, but the sun is out now. The people are out. Well, they've been out, and yeah. So we about to just walk around and learn something, because I don't know nothing about this place. So let's do it. Looking at the camera, you know what this remind me of? Come look at it. The hotel in Las Vegas.
But you know they're inspired by Italy.
Yeah. The lovely Jay from Chris and Jay. I can see you. Woo. My wife's so sexy. Yes, ma'am.
So we're at our next destination. We're actually about to get some pasta for the first time since we've been here. So super, super excited.
It's surprising because that's all that Jay eats.
That's all I
eat. But we had to come to Rome to eat pasta for the first time.
Right.
There's the base.
Yep. So that's what we're about to do now. And yeah, I'm gonna show y'all our view in front of us. Yeah, they got hot dogs, wings, cheeseburgers. Okay guys, so we just made it. They literally have fresh meat.
Doing good.
We can sit like right here. Over there. Oh yeah, that's fine. Yeah. I just don't want no birds in my food. Yeah, we about to sit outside. I better not see no birds in my food. Thanks. Yeah. Okay, CJ crew. So our food just got here. I got lasagna, and Bae has rigatoni with rigatoni with cheese sauce. I was close. Rigatoni.
Never.
I should be making up my own words. Okay, so we're about to dig in. Okay, crew. This is seriously the best pasta I've ever had. Like, look at my plate. Look at Bae plate. Non-existent, y'all. He ate plate. Wow. I'm just playing. They just got his plate, but his. I'm about to insert a picture of his plate.
It do seem like. Wow.
But no, it was seriously 100 out of 10. So good.
It was good. Look, y'all. I'm in public, but I wanted to do what I usually do when I eat like something with a sauce. If you're from the South, you know about sopping.
This is what he wanted to do, y'all. All right, crew. It's a wrap.
We are done with Rome. We in Rome. Do as the Romans.
Do as the Romans do.
You leave full and with a suitcase.
So yes, guys, we are about to head back to Milan. We're about to get on the train. So, Rome, it was nice. See y'all soon.